What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to find secure folder in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So if you're not able to find the secure folder in your home screen or in app screen, so there might be two reasons for that. So the first reason, you have not set up the secure folder yet, and the second reason is the secure folder is hidden from the app screen. So for both problems, open settings, scroll down and click on security and privacy, and then in security and privacy scroll down and click on more security settings. Now in more security settings, click on secure folder. So if you have not set up the secure folder yet, then tap on it, and here it will show a screen which says continue. Then follow the instruction to set up the secure folder. But after setting up, if you are still can't find the secure folder, then turn on this add secure folder to app screen button. So when this button is turned off, you will not be able to find secure folder on your app screen. So turn this button on, and after that you can open your secure folder app screen to find the secure folder. So that's how you can find secure folder in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.